What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the PowerPoint Club. I hope everyone is well and staying safe. I'm not here for a tutorial today, something a bit different. We find ourselves in really strange times with the sad Covid-19 situation. I, like a lot of people, trying to get my head around it all. I've been working with some of my clients to produce content for their presentations on the various aspects of the Covid-19 situation that impact their businesses. From medical information to financials, marketing plans to crisis management. I thought it might be helpful for any creators building presentations needing to do something similar have access to a simple template. So I've created this with you guys in mind. It has an editable 3D model that you can spin and rotate, as well as a few basic information slides you can populate and edit. It's packaged up with a few fonts, and a download link will be in the description below. It's totally free and without copyright, so please use and share as you wish. Stay safe, and I'll see you all soon.